we're gonna get this out of the way first. If there are aliens, they probably don't want anything to do with us. There is a theory that aliens might be so far beyond our level of technological advancement that we would yet even be able to perceive them. They might be like invisible to us or something. But let's imagine that we meet some friendly aliens. What would happen next? Would they enslave us? Would they help us? Would they dissect us? Well, it depends on what kind of aliens we're talking about. So let's explore a few possibilities. First, the Borg. You know those guys from Star Trek? Yeah, they would be the worst. The Borg are a cybernetic race of aliens whose primary directive is to absorb new technologies and life forms into their collective hive mind. When they encounter new species, they usually assimilate them, which means they're either killed or turned into cyborgs. Given how advanced the Borg are, technologically, it's unlikely that any human could hope to defeat them in open combat. And given their desire to assimilate new species, it's likely that they would want to turn every single one of us into a Borg drone. So, not great if we meet the Borg. Now, what about something a little more benevolent? Like the Trill? In Star Trek, the Trill are a peaceful species who are famous for their ability to symbiotically merge with other life forms. Now, before you ask, yes, that includes other species of Trill. When two Trill come close enough together, they can literally merge into one being. And this isn't just a spiritual or religious practice. It's actually a necessary part of their biology. Each Trill has a lifespan of around 150 years. But by merging with another Trill, they can essentially double that lifespan and gain access to all of the memories and experiences of their host. This might sound kinda freaky to us, but it's actually pretty neat. If we merged with an alien species like the Trill, we could gain access to their memories and experiences and potentially extend our own lifespan. Plus, we could learn all sorts of things about the universe that we never could have learned on our own. Of course, this is assuming that the Trill would be willing to merge with us in the first place. Given their peaceful nature, I think that they would be more than willing to share their knowledge and experiences with us. In fact, I think that they would see it as a great opportunity to expand their own understanding of the universe. So what if we met some really advanced aliens who were so far beyond us that we could uneven comprehend their technology? Take, for example, the Protheans from the Mass Effect universe. The Protheans were a highly advanced species who were basically at the top of the food chain in their galaxy. They had incredible technology and were basically at the pinnacle of evil. Unfortunately, they went extinct after a devastating war with the Reapers, another highly advanced species in the Mass Effect universe. But if we somehow managed to meet a species like the Proteans, it would be an incredible opportunity for us to learn about the universe and our place in it. We could learn about the laws of physics on a galactic scale. We could learn about the history of the universe and maybe even learn how to travel faster than light. Of course, there's no guarantee that these advanced aliens would be friendly, but I think that the potential for knowledge and understanding would be too great to pass up. Look, the truth is that we really don't know what would happen if we met aliens. Would they be friendly or would they be hostile? Would they want to help us or would they want to harm us? The reality is that we simply don't know. But what we do know is that it would be an incredible experience. It would be a chance to learn about the universe and our place in it. It would be a chance to meet new friends and maybe even find new love. Or it could be the end of our species. The possibilities are really endless. What do you think would happen if aliens came to Earth? Let us know in the comments below. And while you're at it, be sure to stay up to date on all of our awesome videos. Thanks for watching.